Hello. If you know anything about LaSalle, Peru, Illinois, you would have known that Westclox was here. A major clock, watch production facility. My father-in-law Otto Unziker worked here for many years. This place is very big and sat idle for quite a while after they had moved the plant to Georgia, which ended up with many locals losing their jobs. It is now a museum, at least in this part. Westclox. And the Big Ben alarm clock. We'll see one of those, I am sure. The Baby Ben.
Yeah, I'm getting another t-shirt. I got to. I got one from the Igloo, and I got to get one from Westclox.
This was as big a deal as Timex, as far as the U.S. goes.
The very beginning.
And all the clocks.
I don't know. Maybe we're out of or something. That's awesome. Look at Steve. Look at how pretty you are.
Nice. Let's see. Let's capture it on video.
Get a picture.
Do it again. The Westclox crew.
Westclox crew.
Our
I never worked.
daughters of the Westclox.
I'm the only one in my family that did not work there.
I didn't either. My father took my application.
I had some of those right there.
You know, I want you to do something else.
Big Ben. It was a big deal, Westclox.
He came here and got his tool and die training.
Yeah, of course.
When you were here, it was quite a while, I know you brought the clock.
Yeah, oh gosh, that was when Mom was, or maybe it was.
It was right
No,
after
it was
she
right
passed
after.
away.
Pocket Ben.
We went through her stuff, yeah.
Did you see the picture with that, your dad and my grandpa?
I did last.
A nice office desk.
So is anything new?
Oh my gosh, yes.
If I worked here, that would probably have been
We had the clock.
what I would have done.
This one.
Yeah, I wrote that clock, that was the day I was.
This
A
one.
massive collection.
And now we got one back to sort of see the movement.
That was very cool.
Ah, yes, the Minnesota Twins. The Cubs.
This guy gets somebody.
This would have all been clock facings.
We gotta get some lights fixed.
Tick tock. Tick tock.
We got all the automobile clocks
The original.
in this case.
Wow. You got a lot of stuff. Is it, are they still produced or they, no?
They've been out of business since the year 2000.
Okay.
And they sold a trade name Westclox,
Yeah.
a trade name Big Ben, to a holding company in New York. And right now they're making clocks in China.
Oh, of course.
Yeah, they look nice. They've copied the faces, the cases and stuff. Inside is nothing.
Yeah. That is so awesome. Oh yeah, show me the picture again.
Oh, it's over here.
Here. Oh, there it is.
That's the important one.
Oh,
Oh, a lot of people come here now and say, oh, we know Gary.
Gary.
Yeah.
How is Gary?
I need to get a case for my watches. I have many.
Brad's his best.
I'm just a keeper of time.
This is a picture, and this is it's okay. He's a sweetheart.
Yeah, we know. We know.
Yeah, Ron came in just recently, built this new case. the
There's
new
a roll
bench
too.
for-
Busy.
Yeah, we got a new bench for another lathe that was given to us.
Of course.
So,
Otto Unziker.
oh, he is. He's always
There in the
working.
middle.
Now
Laurie's
they have a
father.
rental house.
And his brother
Yeah, and I
and his
think we
nephew.
just had a problem. Something was leaking. Something was leaking upstairs, and the ceiling collapsed.
Oh no.
And earlier, I think a tree fell over on the
Otto
roof.
was a machinist.
Oh, this is another thing that happened. Do you have your phone with you? Can you take a picture?
Yes.
Oh, Steve.
a good thing they're not all running. Wouldn't that be deafening? Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. Oop.
Ever since I had,
Oh. Hi. You caught me.
license for distance, but they're working my blood pressure again.
Well, there you go.
They brought it down too low, and it's
The Westclox Museum. Show 'em.